Hey Amber, great question. We actually have 4 different programs. It all depends on your goals and dreams and the kind of income you're looking to make. But we have a $100 product, $300, $600, and $900. I do have PAY plans for each one. We equipped you with every single digital marketing skill that you could possibly need to market any product or service online, whether you have a business or not. We teach you attraction marketing and how to attract your customers to you. I don't have to get on the phone with anyone. I don't have to bug anyone because my business is fully automated. We also teach you how to create your own digital products or programs if you want to, and how to have a recurring income stream because you have recurring bills, so why not have a recurring income stream? And we have over 15,600 members in our community where we get live, hands-on, interactive mentorship on a weekly basis, so you're never on your journey alone. But if you'd like more information, you can go to KaylaTimefreedom.com and put your email in. It'll show you a couple different videos breaking everything down step by step. And if you have any other questions, you can email me back, and I'd love to answer your questions. Thank you. Have a great weekend.